All right, there we go. So anyways, guys, the reason why I want us to install the VirtualBox is so that when we install the Linux operating system, you're not formatting or you're not installing anything that's gonna clash with your OS. So some people have Windows operating system, the people with Mac, they have the OS. If you were to install Linux on your bare bones system, it might format it. And because two operating systems cannot live in one machine. So you can install Linux on a Mac. So you use a VirtualBox, and the VirtualBox acts as a VM. So it adds another layer to the system. So you can install programs, a virtual machine, or an ISO image on top of your VirtualBox without affecting anything in your system. So as you can see my screen, guys, open virtualbox.org, just exactly. And if you have Windows, you want to click on the Windows host. If you have Mac, this is what you want to take, the OS X Mac. And so I'm going to click OS X. Guys with the Windows, you click Windows host. Are you with me, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and click my OS X Max. And, it's downloading right now. You can see the DMG downloading. And we might have some errors along the way, and we're going to try to troubleshoot some of these errors. But hopefully, most of you get a smooth installation.
Which one are we downloading?
It depends on your operating system. So you have a Dell, right?
Yeah.
So you're using the Windows. It's a Windows.
No, I have two laptops though. That's why I was asking which one is the best to use. I have a Dell and I have a MacBook.
Well, I'm just gonna say Mac just because all my laptops I have is all Macs, so I'm pretty good familiar with that. So if you can use a Mac, you should.
So which one should I download? The OS?
Yeah, if you're on your Mac right now, if that's what you're logged in with, you should do the OS X.
Okay.
That's your host operating system. So, so the guys for the Windows, is it downloaded, guys?
Yes.
So let's try to do the installation.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do the installation. So I'll double click on it, and I'll try to install my VirtualBox and see if we get any errors. And let me know, guys, if you're successful, let me know you're successful. If you have an error, let me know as well.
I have a message that popped up. It says that installing this will reset my networking connection and temporarily disconnect me from the network. Would you like to proceed? That's fine, right?
Well, I'd like to see that message. Hold on. Do you mind like sharing it for a little bit? Because I mean, the VirtualBox is not supposed to, if it says temporarily, you can go ahead and do it, but you don't want to, since it's temporarily, yeah, you can go ahead. So mine is installing, is opening right now. So once we have our VirtualBox ready, I'm going to send you guys a link to my Google Drive that I have an Ubuntu virtual disk image. It's a CentOS. So I'll send you that link and you download that, and we're just gonna go through VirtualBox and just install it, and you'll be ready to go with your Linux system. So
do we install one or two? I have the VirtualBox package and the applications. Is it one or two or both?
Well, you want the VirtualBox. I mean, you want the VirtualBox. I'm not sure. Mine is still installing, so I wish I was following along. Let's see what my own say. You're using a Mac?
Yes, sir.
So let's see. Okay, so there we go. So you guys can see my screen. Let's see.
Yep.
So you double click here. Yeah, this laptop, I might have an error with this laptop just because I've had this laptop since 2013. I've installed all kinds of things on this laptop. But once you double click here, it's supposed to open you that package. And guys, also there's one thing about the guys in Mac. So can anyone confirm if they've been able to do a successful installation?
So it says existing software on your system loaded as wait. on your system, loaded a system extension signed by Oracle American, whatever.
Wait, so you already have a VirtualBox?
No, I just downloaded it.
Can you launch it?
So that's what, let me try that. Give me a second.
I tried to download mine, it failed. They said the installer encountered an error and caused the installation to fail.
Okay.
Contact the software management for
Did
assistance.
anybody else face that error?
So it wants me to restart my system.
Yeah, I face the same error too.
Oh yeah. I'm just waiting for that. Yeah, most people, especially the Mac users, you're gonna face that error. Anybody else? So we can try to handle that.
I think mine is good to go. I sent a picture on WhatsApp. Can you look real quick?
Let me
to
check.
see
Let me
if
check.
it-
Let me check.
Is that how it's supposed to look? I don't know.
Yep, you look good to go, Vital.
Perfect.
Wait, no, you said did you proceed and say yes?
Yeah, I pressed yes and I just did it.
And you said successful, right?
Yeah.
So you're good to go. At least that's one to go. Who else? Any other errors, guys?
Do I have to restart the system or just ignore the restart?
Well, if you can you start VirtualBox and does the application come on when you restart it?
So before doing that, it wants me to restart my system.
Well, maybe it needs to do some configurations. That's kind of strange. Are you using a Mac?
Yes.
That's kind of strange. Maybe you can restart it and try joining. Yeah, but that's kind of strange because So the guys facing the error. Anybody else facing the errors or anybody else successful?
We can use both. Like if you have Windows, use Windows host, or if you have Mac, use OS X.
Yep.
Well, I think it says welcome to VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, and
so guys, okay. So the guys, I think some people were able to have a successful installation. The people that are having errors like Bajo and the rest, this is what I want you guys to do.
Preference. Okay.
And then once you get to system preferences, then you want to click on privacy and system privacy. Where is it? Right here. You want to click on security and privacy.
Privacy. Yeah, good luck. I'm not sure.
Bajo.
Let me see your screen.
Can you see Bajo?
What's disabled? Disabled. What's disabled?
Yeah, you have to enable. So this is what you do. You come here, you unlock it, you put your password. Once it's unlocked, and now you can make changes to it. So now you can enable VirtualBox and
Let me see your screen. It looks like it stopped sharing on my
you stop sharing.
Yeah.
Linus.
Yeah.
Okay, I was not getting you. It's now that I'm getting your voice. I don't know what happened on my computer.
You're getting me now?
Yeah, I'm getting you now.
Yeah, let's see. I might have the same error, guys. Let's try it again. And we'll go from there. Someone is watching a Nigerian film. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
So Linus, in the box right there, VirtualBox is not included. Under the enable location service.
This thing, the same thing.
So we have Docker desktop. We have let's see what mine says. Let's see if I get an error. Normally, Mac is always so insecure about other applications coming from the internet. So they'll block your installation for no reason. So let's wait to see if mine installs. If I get the same error, we'll try to troubleshoot, guys. Because this is the foundation. Once we have our VirtualBox, that's the most complicated part. Once we get that working, then installing the Linux system will be, will be the easy process, and then we can start practicing some commands on Linux. So mine is taking a little bit longer, but let's see. So Bajo,
Yeah.
Are you still getting the same error?
No, I just started seeing your screen now. I think my computer was acting up, so.
I tried doing it again and I still got the same error.
Yeah, and while you were doing it, did you have this page open?
Yes, I did.
You should let's see what mine says, and then we'll go from there. Because it's easier to show on my screen. Yeah,
The virtual box is like an extra layer of protection or what?
yeah. So a VirtualBox is like a virtual machine, pretty much. So
Right.
yeah. So what happens is it's the same concept with a virtualization software, right?
Mhm.
So it's acting like a laptop. So let's see, this laptop that we have, right? It's a virtualization layer,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
That our application sits on it, like a MacBook OS X, Catalina. They're all sitting on this virtualization layer, which is our laptop. So that's exactly what the VirtualBox is.
Yeah. Can you explain it from the beginning how to troubleshoot the install the.
Oh, mine went successful.
Yeah,
That's
because
good.
I wasn't seeing your screen, so let me see how you.
All right, so Bajo, so what happens is, I say when it fails, right?
Yeah.
You come here, you click Apple, you click System Preferences,
All right.
okay, and then you come and you click Security and Privacy.
Mm-hmm.
Once you have this page, I'm going to remind you. Oh, click on Privacy right here. You see right here, do you see this?
Yeah, yeah.
Developer from America was blocked. Do you see this?
Yeah.
This is where you want to unblock it. I don't know, mine was successful even though I didn't unblock it, but yeah. You see right here? You have to allow Oracle. Right there, you see?
So right there, it says restart your phone.
Well,
I mean, your computer.
Yeah, I don't want to restart my computer because it might end this meeting.
Yeah, so that was what I did. I had to like go and do it later.
Yeah, and yours is working now, right?
I opened the VirtualBox, so I don't really know if it's actually it's the actual one, but I mean it is open based on what I'm seeing here.
All right, let me try opening mine and see what happens. So Bajo, were you guys able to see the screen, the block on Apple?
Yeah,
and also, guys, the guys using Mac, you want to make sure that you see this part where it says App Store and App Store identified developers. You want to make sure you're on identified. So this is essentially what you need to see. So Felix, do you have this open?
Oh, so yeah, I can't see all of the. So mine is a little bit different. Under the tools, there was nothing displaying.
Yeah, you should see something like this because this is what we need. Vitaly, can you see this? So the guys that have a successful installation, can you see this?
Mine is just blank. There's not, I mean, yeah, there's nothing under tools. It looks like the.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it should be blank. It should be blank. It should be like this.
Okay, good. Oh, okay, yeah. And
it should be like this. It should be like this.
Yeah, I finally got mine. They said
yeah. So Linus, it's like what is displaying right now.
Yeah,
it's just like that.
This is good. This is good.
Yeah, that's what mine shows.
So guys, so you guys are good. So let's try to get the other guys to this page because this is where we want to be, and then we'll go from there. So Bajo, any progress?
Yeah. I'm on it right now.
So did you see the block and did you so what about you, Nelson?
Yeah.
No, I did not see the block, and I've had the same error twice. And I've gone to privacy, and then
No, go to general.
Oh, general. Okay, general. System software from developer. Okay. Yeah, I see the Oracle America, but it's, let me see, click here to make changes.
You have to click the lock here to unlock, and then you can make the changes.
So allow.
Yep, you have to allow.
Yep, I just did allow.
And then do the installation all over again.
Okay. VirtualBox.
So
Cool. I'm in as well.
nice.
We
Basil,
don't worry about number 2, right? Where it says applications.
no. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm set to go.
Nice. All right, so the next step now, I'm about to share a link. I'm about to share a link for the Ubuntu virtual disk image. So this one is already ready.
Ernest,
Yeah.
what's up, man? This is Alpha. So I have the M1 MacBook, and it's actually not supported for the VirtualBox.
Really?
Is there a bypass for that?
Oh man, I never heard that. What, like the new M1?
Yeah.
It's not supported for VirtualBox? Wow.
Nope.
So I think if you're running the same iOS, because I have the M1 and I have the 2018 version, and it's running the same software, and it's actually working. And I don't know if it's the chip inside or just whatever.
Yeah, it didn't work for me.
So
I'm
Alpha,
running
do
the
you,
latest
I
iOS.
have the 2020 M1,
so Alpha,
and I have the newest operating system on it.
do you have your AWS account still?
I don't think so.
It's fine. We can talk later now. Well, we just
Yeah. I'll just watch in, and then we'll talk about it later. I'll figure it out.
yeah, we can always use AWS, you know what I mean? We can always use AWS, and we can spin up a server AWS where you can just use it to work with.
Problem. Thank you.
I can't do that right now, but yeah, I'll do it later.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. So guys, I'm sharing a link to this chat. So if you follow this link, you're going to go to my Google Drive. It has the image is actually, it's a little bit big. It's 1.5. It's a zip file. So we're going to download it. We'll unzip it. This one is ready to go packaged. The admin user is already set up. So once you have this file, once you download it, you extract it, and then I'll show you how to bring up your Linux system. So guys, let me know if you can access that drive, that link that I just posted to. Oh, did I post it to the entire chat?
No, it's not here.
Let me post it. Oh, it went to iPhone. Oh, there it is. That'll be CentOS 8. So guys, if you didn't know, CentOS, when you start working with Linux, there's different flavors of Linux. There is a Ubuntu, it's very popular. There's Fedora, and then there's Red Hat, which is a paid. And then there's CentOS. CentOS is pretty much Red Hat, but it's a free version. So it's a developer version. So if you're working on CentOS, you're pretty much working on Red Hat. So guys, let me know, just download that zip file, and we're going to unzip it. And we're going to go ahead and run our virtual image. So is anybody still facing errors? Vitaly, you good?
Yeah, it's just downloading right now, so it's a couple minutes left.
Yeah, the file is kind of big. And guys, if you have issues on archiving that file on Mac, you might need an archiver to unarchive it. But I'll just go ahead and share my screen when I'm done, so you guys can see. But this is the last part. Once you have that file ready, They'll be good to go to install our Linux and start working. So guys, let me know when you finish downloading that file.
Yeah, I think mine is downloaded.
Can you extract it? Try double clicking on it and see if it extracts.
Yeah, it says like expanding. So it's
Yeah,
loading.
try expanding it, yeah. What about you, Nelson? Did you download it?
Still in progress.
Yeah, it's a big file. It's 1.5 gigabyte.
Okay, yep, it's downloaded.
Try on archiving it.
So what do I do from here?
On archive the file. It's a zip file. Unzip it.
Yeah, I did already.
All right, so I'm just waiting for everyone to be done unzipping it, and then we can take the next step. Let me check if mine is actually still downloading, man. My internet's slow. But yeah, I'm just waiting for everyone to finish on unzipping their files, and we could take the next step. It'll be easier if you guys follow along with me. So. So guys, just send me a confirmation when you're done, even though mine is done. Mine is almost done. So I know Bajo is done. Nelson is done. Vitaly, are you done?
No, not yet.
Hey, mine is done downloading, but when I try to open up the file, they say I don't have an application that can open up the file.
Okay. Let me share my screen real quick. You're gonna have to take another step, but yeah, all this is what we know. We need to deal with different things, different people, man. You see all kinds of errors. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
It means if that's what it's telling you, it means this is what you need. You need this.
The unachiever.
Yeah, on archiver, yeah. So this is what you need.
So I should download that.
Yeah, just give me a second. Let me make sure this is the correct link, because online you can see all kinds of links. So just give me a second. Let me make sure this is the correct. But yeah, this is what you need. Once you download this, you automatically unblock the file for you. Yeah, this is it. So go to this link.
So Ramesh, is Ramesh using Windows or?
It's Mac.
Apple?
It's Mac.
Mac.
So Ramesh, you see this?
Yes, sir.
Download this just like I am. Just download it and then unzip it, and you should be good to go.
Okay.
Hey, Linus.
Yeah.
So I found an alternative for the VirtualBox. It's called UTM. Have you heard of that?
No, but if it's a VirtualBox, they should be able to do what we're doing. But I've never heard of it though. Try downloading it. Let's see. We should be able to.
Yeah, I'm trying it now.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Be
So
able
for
to.
now, let's use VirtualBox.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
It's much stable. We can even use VMware, but you know.
Oh, you can try
Okay.
VMware. Yeah, VMware. Try VMware.
Yeah, all right.
But let's use VirtualBox. VirtualBox is much stable than all the other.
So Yochi, I know you're just joining. You're using a Mac or Windows?
I'm using HP.
Oh, and then it should be easy. I'll just show you real quick. So Ramesh, are you good?
Where when I download it, it automatically opens the file.
If you download and install it to your machine, it will automatically, once you click on the file, automatically your machine knows.
Well, I'm trying to download. It's telling me something I don't understand.
So I think mine is done extracting.
Yeah. Some systems they come with their own archive already.
So I can now see it on my downloads. CentOS.
Yep, that's what you need. So Bajo, you're good to go. So Aochi, what you want to do is you want to download VirtualBox.
Yeah, I think I already got it.
Oh, nice. There you're good to go, man. So follow that link on the chat and download that Google hard drive, the CentOS.
Gotcha.
So basically, Ramesh, this is what you see my screen, like I was clicking on it, but you just have to drag into your applications and that's all you need.
No, but I'm done downloading. Oh, so okay, yeah, I'm at this point. So
Yeah,
what do I
just
do?
drag like this.
Oh, okay.
That's all you have to do.
Okay.
And then when you finish copying, you're good to go. Just go back to that file and just double click again and see it's supposed to extract. So I'll go back to mine. Like this is my file. I'll double click on it and I'm expecting it to extract right away. You see? It says on archiver. Yes, open. And you should help me extract that file. So it's extracting right now. So Ramesh, once you do that, we're good to go. Ayochi, are you downloading it right now? From the Google Drive?
Yeah.
Cool.
Man,
So what-
I'm trying to do that. I don't know what's going on.
Lennox, what do you do after you've downloaded it?
Extract it. It's a zip file. You have to extract it. So try clicking on it. Double click on it. I know you're using a Windows, so Windows come with automatic on archiver, so you don't need to download anything. If you double click on it, Windows will automatically on archive the file.
Gotcha.
Mine is still extracting. So once mine is done extracting, we're gonna go to the next step and install the CentOS. And we should ready to start running some commands and have some little bit of fun. So I know some people are really good to go. Yeah, whatever we don't finish today, we'll wrap it up on Saturday. Yeah.
Sonic, it's saying my device cannot it can't use it.
So guys, let's see. So we're gonna start with Ramesh. Ramesh, you mind sharing your screen a little bit so I can help?
Yes, I'm going to my office so I can use my mouse.
All right. So yeah, in the meantime, Yoichi, you want to share your screen so I can see what error you're getting?
Okay.
I can't share my screen, bro. You have to allow me.
All right, try it again.
Okay, I have a question, please. When I took the on archiver, I moved it over to applications. What is that? It?
Yeah, that's all you need to do.
Okay.
Whose screen is this?
Yeah, that's mine. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So it's right here. See, I'm clicking it, and then that's what it's saying.
No, that's not what you need. You need the CentOS file. Go to the Zoom chat. Click that drive. Do you see the drive? HTTPS drive?
No, I don't see any drive.
In the Zoom chat, the chat in the Zoom.
Yeah, there's nothing here.
Oh man, I'll send it to you again. I'll post it again. Can you look in the chat now?
Yeah, and I can see the link. Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's because you joined late, so you can't see the old messages. But yeah, follow that link, and that's what you need to download. And then you can unarchive that. So you can, yeah, you can. So you're good. You can stop sharing now. So I
Gotcha.
could have Ramesh.
So when I go back to my downloads, I can't find that file.
Share your screen, Ramesh, and I can do it to help you. See, he was able to share his screen, and you can immediately know what was wrong. Share your screen is much easier. So what file are you looking for? Are you looking for the centos file?
Yes.
It's
Checking the downloads.
yeah,
Yeah,
he's in the downloads.
Download.
The name of the file is, just right click.
Can I just search it?
Yeah, you probably could.
What
was the name of that file, guys?
What's the name?
What's the file? Centos, just says centos.
Is it with an S or a C?
A C.
Okay, yeah, right
there it is. Yep, and then open it. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Once that's done, and then we can go to the next step, Ramesh. You can stop sharing. That's good.
Okay. Thank you. You can just kick me out if
Yeah, is this just sharing screen? Let's see. Yeah, let's see. All right, so let's see. Let me see if mine is done on archiving. No, actually, mine is still going on. Yeah, my internet is so slow, man. Man, this is what happens when you live in Idaho, man. So let's go back. I'll just keep sharing my screen from now on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So is the file going to come out as a text editor file or just something different?
No, it's not. You mean the one the file that you just on archive?
Yes.
It's going to come out as a VDI.
Oh, then I'm doing something is wrong here.
You want to share a screen?
Yeah, let me.
So guys, okay, let's let this out, guys. If you finish extracting that file, you should see a .vdi file at the end. And the VDI means a virtual disk image. That's what that file is. And it should be around 6.6 gigabyte when it's done extracting. So if you don't have that, then we need to redo it. So guys, check your files, check your extractions. You should see a VDI file. So mine is done. So I'll share my screen.
I downloaded mine, and it's a 7Z file, and it won't let me do anything with it, so I'm not sure.
That's why you should have downloaded it on Archiver, right? Because that's what was going to
even for Windows.
Well, for Windows, you could have. Okay, let me share my screen real quick. So guys, this is what the file looks like right here. Once you extract it, you see this VDI box right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is what the file looks like. So this is the Z file, and when you extract this file, this is what you get. The VDI. So Vitaly, if you don't have that, you can share your screen and I can see what you're working with.
Can I share real quick, or you have to grant a permission?
Yeah, go ahead.
Why is it letting me go through system preference to be able to enable this?
If at the end of the day we just get people installed on Linux, I guess it won't be a bad day.
Well, I'm having difficulty in sharing my screen.
Try clicking share screen at the bottom of the Zoom.
Yeah, I did that. It's just allows them to share your screen, open system preference, security. I'm trying to grant an access and it's denying me that.
Right. So anyway, you know what I'm going to do, guys? So for the guys that already have the files and everything, I'm going to do a 10 minutes break, and then I'm going to stay here and I'm going to work with the guys that are still trying to log in. And after 10 minutes, guys, hopefully we'll be ready to go.
All right.
Okay, guys. So if you're ready to go, you have your VDI and you have your CentOS. Yeah, you could start your 10 minutes. You could start 10 minutes break, and then you can come back in 10 minutes. I'll try to help the guys that are still trying to log in.
Can I share my screen real quick, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. This is what I got.
Yeah, that's what you're good.
Okay. All right.
Good to go. So let's go to that VDI, the extraction. Is it complete?
Mine?
Yeah.
Man.
Go back to downloads and search CentOS. Let's see. Search CentOS. Let's see if you find it done extract. The C, the one with the C.
CE.
Yeah, you're good. There it is. You see the VDI?
Yeah.
The red file.
Yeah.
All the way to the right. Yeah, you're good, Ramesh. So you're ready for the next
Oh,
step.
okay.
Yeah, there it
Okay,
is. So you're good.
okay. Yeah, I'm good. All right.
Can someone please share the link for the archiver? I downloaded one, but seems like looks like it's not working.
It's the onarchiver.com.
Okay.
Why do you keep switching my screen?
So who else is having issues? Guys, let's sort these things out so when people come back from break, we can just go to the
I'm
next one.
having issues because I'm trying to install it. I installed the first one and it came out perfectly, but I can't open it, and I downloaded the archiver and still
Okay, there is it. Can you double click that 7Z file?
Oh, sorry. This is my screen. I was.
Yeah,
for Windows,
Vitaly, can you double click that? Let's see what happens.
I don't have a. Usually it tells me there's a button that says extract, but
Exactly.
But it's not giving me anything this time. So.
Well, try looking. You couldn't. Oh, try one of those archive. Go up. Try. Oh, it's funny you don't have any on archive when you're using Windows. That's strange.
Yeah. Let me download something and I'll try again.
Yeah, just look for something that can unzip like a 7Z file. Anybody else?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
So
click on general.
Just see.
So you're good to go. Your VirtualBox is good to go, Felix. Whose screen is this, Felix?
Yes. I'm trying to minimize the screen.
So Felix, your VirtualBox is good to go. What about your virtual image?
So right here, I'm downloading a zip file because I did actually.
Oh, it's expanding. So just give it time.
So if I open up the trash, my trash here, I have it here.
Then that's what you need. Take it back. Restore it.
So if I open it, it's not opening.
No, it can't. That's why you just put it where it needs to be. We're gonna work with it. You can't open it. It's a virtual disk image. Only an Ubuntu can read it. Sorry, only a VirtualBox or a VMware can read it. So
I can't open it.
No, you can't. You can't open it. You just need to extract it, and that's it. And we're gonna.
So I should stop this.
Yeah, you don't need that. You already have it, so you're good.
Okay.
You see how we're gonna use it. You can't open it. Yeah, so that's what you need. It's on your desktop. So remember where it is. It's in your desktop, right?
Yeah.
So you're good to go. You're ready.
All right. Let me stop sharing.
Anybody else have any issues? Anybody else? I know Vitaly. I know you're trying to download.
I have the archiver, but when I click on the CentOS, it's telling me there's no application.
Share your screen. Share your screen. Let's see. Let's see. Share your screen. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Nancy, you hear me?
Yep. Desktop mode. Sure. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you right here, but I can't see your screen.
No, so I was talking about my screen, sorry. Share screen.
Yeah, there you go. So no, you have to drag it. Did you drag it into your applications?
No.
You have to drag it into applications first. Go back to that screen in the back.
This one?
Yeah, click on that. Yeah, drag it into the application folder first before you can use it. Yeah. You already have it. Just replace it.
Plus.
Hey, Linus, just a quick question.
Yeah.
Are we doing all this just so we can get into Ubuntu?
Well, not Ubuntu. We're using CentOS, but we're getting this so we can have our own inbuilt Linux system to practice on. So if you have, looks like you already have that VDI. There it is.
Yeah, bro, Linus, mine is, I can't even download mine.
So Nelson, you already have it right there, that VDI, right there. That's what you need.
The CentOS?
Yeah, that's what you need. You already.
That's a download folder, right?
No, that's the extraction right there.
Okay, cool.
So it's already been extracted. So you're good, you're ready.
Okay.
Right, so who's next? Aochi?
Yeah, mine I can't even download it, bro.
Can you stop sharing so Aochi can share his screen? Aochi. Can you share your screen, Aochi?
So yeah, that's my screen right now, right? It's right here.
Click on resume, let's see what it says.
And it says fail here.
Yeah, it's a network error. I don't know why you have a. Yeah, that guy that has something to do with the network. Click on it, open it again. Yeah, really.
It won't even open.
Right. Can you open that link that I posted in the chat?
Yeah, let me see.
There
Yeah, can you
is.
see that?
Click download. Yeah, download this. So Vitaly, you good?
Yeah, I'm good to go, man.
All right, cool. Ayochi, so what happens when you click download?
It doesn't do anything.
That's strange because it's supposed to download. So
All right.
no, I don't know what to say, man. I'm confused right now. Yeah, because every one of us was able to download. So maybe there's not enough room in your machine. I would doubt that because it's just one.
There might not be enough room, maybe.
Yeah. Can you check? Yeah, you should check your disk space.
Gotcha. And this link is gonna stay here, right?
Yeah, the link is in my Google Drive. It's always gonna be there. Just make sure you have enough room in your machine to download.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop share. So guys, I think we're ready for the next step. I don't know, is everyone here? Yep. So I'm gonna share my screen again. Hopefully it's gonna be smooth sailing from here. So guys, is everyone on this page?
Yep.
All right, guys, so if you're on this page, I want you to click on new. And then you can just type in CentOS right here. And then once you click CentOS, just type, you can put CentOS anything. And click continue. And once it comes to your memory size, you should allocate a decent amount, maybe 4. And hit continue.
That's a good number, just put in the middle.
Yeah. And then what you want to do is, once you get to this stage, guys, let me know once you get to that stage. Give me a second, let me get my charger. All right, guys. Is everyone here?
What on the memory size? What do I do there?
Just put it in the middle or something.
Middle.
Yeah, just put it in around 3,000 to 4,000.
Okay, 3,000 to 4,000. Uh-huh.
So is everyone here?
Can I share my screen?
Are you facing? Yeah, I'm sharing my screen right now because I'm showing the directions.
Okay.
So you're gonna pop me out, but what's going on?
Give me 1 second. I'm using Windows.
Yeah, the VirtualBox should be the same though. The UI should be the same. It should look. In fact, I'll go back. Did you open this?
Yes. Give me 1 second. Can you see my screen?
No. Give me a second. Yeah, go ahead.
So you said new?
Yep.
Yeah, I said new. Yeah.
And then CentOS?
Yeah, once you type CentOS, you're gonna see the version is gonna automatically say Red Hat in the bottom. And then hit continue. And then memory, you want to put it somewhere in the middle, somewhere around 4,000.
8.1, and then, but I can see that. That's why I didn't see CentOS.
So, well, if you click, did you put CentOS? Did you see Red Hat right here?
I have it in my folder right here. See?
I can't see your screen, but just put CentOS. You should have a 64-bit right here. It automatically picks that up. And then continue, and then memory.
So 64-bit CentOS.
Yes. Well, if you put You have to, all you have to do, look, all I have to do is type CentOS and it's going to automatically do everything else. You know, you don't have to do anything. Once you type CentOS, the machine automatically picks up whatever it is.
Yeah, because I cannot see any CentOS right here.
No, where you mean like version? So when you type new, when you click new, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have this page?
Yes, this, can you see my screen right now?
I can see your screen.
Yeah, so I'm only seeing this. I'm only seeing Linux, Solaris, DBS, and IBM, Mac, and other. That's
So
what
what happens when you type CentOS in the name?
It's just a name that you name your virtual machine.
Yeah, but what happens when you type that? It matters because it picks it up right here automatically. If I type Ubuntu here, you see what it picks up? So yeah, it does matter. It does matter, man.
Okay, so
if I type CentOS right here, it picks up CentOS in the bottom. Red hat, it knows automatically.
So we're using the same VirtualBox 6.1, right?
You want to share the screen?
Yes, I'm sharing my screen right now.
You have to reshare it because he was sharing it first.
Can you see my screen?
No.
No.
Okay, that's fine. You can go ahead. I'll figure it out.
Yeah, why don't you share your screen so we can figure it out? Anyway, guys.
So now you can see it, right?
Yes.
So I have 6.1 VirtualBox.
I think that's what we have. So you want to go click new and let's see what you see. So type CentOS, let's see what happens. Exactly, that's exactly what was happening. Hit next. So what was the issue? What was the issue?
Okay, so when I hit, so now you see that, right? Type is, I cannot put Microsoft here.
No, you don't have to worry about that. Just type CentOS and the machine automatically knows what you're dealing with. So don't worry about that. Just type CentOS in the name and see what happens.
So, but I know CentOS is a distro of Linux.
Please, just type CentOS in the name. Let's see what happens. You see what happens? Do you see that the machine automatically knows what's going on? That's exactly what I was saying. So hit next. Put your memory. Yeah, hit next. So you're good to go. So yeah, you can stop share so I can continue. So we can go ahead.
Sure.
All right, so guys, I'm back again. So let's see. So I'll go ahead and type my CentOS. I'll continue. So this is the important part, guys. What we extracted previously was the VDI. So we're extracting it purposely for this step. So what you're going to do is you're going to use an existing virtual hard disk, right? And you're going to click here. And then what you're trying to do is we're trying to search for that file. Remember that VDI file? We're trying to search for that file on our system. So wherever it was, if yours was in downloads, you want to go to download. Wherever your file was, desktop, go to your desktop and look for that file. So I know mine was in downloads. This is mine right here. So guys, just look for wherever that file was and you want to open that file. That's a big file. So guys, let me know when you find your file.
Yeah, I found mine.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm good to go too.
Yeah, so once you do that, guys, let's hit create. So once you hit create, guys, now you want to start it. You see start right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and start it. So me, I'm getting an error.
I think it's because you're sharing your
Getting the same
screen, right?
error. I'm getting the same error.
I think mine is running. I think he's saying let me grant access. For you to-
Yours? Let me see. So whenever you have access issues on,
Hi, Linus. I think the issue that we have is for Windows operating systems, we have to use ISO image. That's the problem.
well, you can download ISO images, but you know, ISO images, they can be so heavy. And you know, with the VDIs, what happens is if you have an ISO image, when you install it on your VirtualBox, you're still gonna have to convert the ISO image into a VDI, basically. So you pretty much, so we're taking one step ahead by using a VDI. But if you use ISO, you're gonna convert the ISO to VDI before you can use it. So what we're doing is taking one step ahead. And yeah, so that's pretty much, because when you use ISO, you're gonna do the same step, but you're gonna convert that ISO to VDI using VirtualBox. You know, but yeah, but this has already been installed on my local. So you're getting the same error, Vitaly, as I am. So are you good to go? Was he able to start?
I think mine says running.
Okay, so you're good to go.
I'm getting the same error.
This one.
The same error you have in.
This one.
Yes.
Maybe it's because we didn't restart our machines. So allow VirtualBox to completely configure. So Bajo, you say yours is good to go.
Yeah, it says running.
All right, so you're good to go.
Mine
Start it.
is good too.
Yeah, so start it. Let it start. And let it start. So anybody else ready to go? Does it say running?
If we restart, isn't it gonna close everything?
Yeah, unfortunately, especially for me, I'm the meeting host. So if I can't restart right now, but you know, so I have to make sure everyone else is connected and ready to go before I can restart.
All right, let me restart and I will join back.
Okay. So anybody?
I'm on the Patriot admin user, and then
yeah, perfect. You're good to go.
CentOS.
So yeah, actually, you wanna share your screen actually. So we could probably use your screen right now since mine is. You want to share your screen?
I'm sharing.
All right, guys. So is anybody else on this page?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Anybody else? This is where we want to be. So I know that page is kind of small, so we can fix it.
Yeah.
We can fix it. I can show you guys how to fix it. So go back to your VirtualBox. Yeah, can you drag it to the center? Let me show you how to fix that thing. So click on CentOS, right click it. You right click on your VM. I think what we're looking for is click on settings.
Yeah.
Go to display.
Okay.
Yeah, you see where it says VMS VGA? Click on that. The graphics controller.
Video. Yep.
Yeah.
You want to choose the VMS box. It's right there, the graphics controller.
Lower.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry. It's not
I don't know why yours is not. Yeah, normally you want to.
It's not allowing me to.
Yeah, maybe it's because your VM is running, but normally you want to change that. If you click that, you're gonna change that to VMS box.
VMS box.
Yeah, VMS box HA, and you should be. But anyway, just if you are curious, the password is admin user too. So if you type admin user, it should let you in. But yeah, that's where you adjust it. So anybody else facing the same errors as I am?
Let me stop sharing.
Select virtual option disks. Okay, I'm trying to start the CentOS. It's telling me to please select the virtual optical disk file or physical optical
Exactly.
drive.
That's what I say. You have to search that file that we just unlocked. We just on archive. Remember the file? So Vitaly, what about you?
I'm good to go, man. It's open and running. So.
Oh yeah. So did you type the password admin user and he was able to let you in?
Yeah. So here's my screen.
Yeah, you're good to go, man.
Yeah. So do I just wait? Sounds good.
Yeah, you can double click on it. Click admin user. The password is the same as the username, admin user.
Password is what?
Admin user.
Oh, the same.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, hold on. I'm kind of lost somewhere. You say where do you have to type in the admin user and the password?
When you start, you can close that. You can close that little get started. No, not that page. You can just close it. Yeah, right there.
Oh, gotcha. Oops.
Yeah, just close all that. Yeah. So you're good to go. Click on activities to the left. And then click on the terminal right there, the second to last. Yeah, and this is essentially what we've been trying to do, guys. This is what we want to get. Because that's your CentOS. Yeah, that's where we're going to do all our practice. So
I'm not yet there. I'm not yet there.
So yeah, Vitaly, you're good to go. Badger, you want to share your screen? Let's see where you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, to be honest, I would never thought that it would take this long. Badger, share your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
I would have never thought that it would take this long just to get Linux running. I guess you live and you learn.
I'm sharing my screen.
I'm not seeing anything, Badger. Anyway, guys, I think this will be the last time we're going to be installing things on our machine. I think going forward, everyone's just going to have an AWS account, and we're going to work directly with the cloud account.
Can I share my screen?
Can I see my screen now?
Yeah, I can't see any screen, Bajo. It's not showing. Oh yeah, I can see Felix.
So is this the
right?
right?
Yeah, Felix, you're good to go, man. You see, we needed to restart our machine. I have to restart mine. Click on admin user. The password is admin user as well.
How did they get to this point? Because I'm trying to.
Ramesh, it's because you didn't load your image. So we'll get back to you and we'll fix it.
Okay.
I'm still trying to share my screen. I don't know why you're not seeing it.
Yeah, it's because someone is saying. So you're good to go. So
I'm good to go.
Yeah, you're good to go. So let that open. So Bajo, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. It says it's running, so double click on it, let's see. Can you close us, just close us those, let's see. Okay, there it is, Bajo, you're good to go, man.
Okay, let me share my screen too, please.
So Bajo, that's your Ubuntu. Try clicking on that screen, let's see what happens. You're supposed to have the prompt for username and password.
It doesn't allow me to get to where I have the username and password. That's what I'm trying to.
Yeah, I wish I could step into that machine. Can you can shut down and try restarting and see what happens.
All right.
But yeah, you're already one step ahead. Your virtual machine is already running. No. Yeah, go down to power off the machine. Yeah. And then try restarting it again.
This is like a virtual, it's like a computer within a computer.
Yep, pretty much.
Nice, okay.
Bajo, close that. Yeah.
I close it again.
Mhm. But it's saying something on the screen. Let's see if it takes you to that login screen. Yeah, guys, looks like we're going to take up the whole class to just installing this. But if we can do that, that's fine. So next class, we can just go straight into it. And actually do some practice. What's that privacy thing in the back version? I see something that says deny.
Let me see.
Yeah, oh, that's Zoom.
No, it was allowing me to share Zoom. It was blocking Zoom, so I had to.
Okay, let's go back to your VM and see what your VM is saying. Yeah, your VM is loading. It's loading. It'll take some time, but yeah, I think your VM is loading. Just let me know. Yeah, there it is. It's loading. There it is, Bajo. There it is. You go. The password is the same as the username. So who else? Bajo, you're good to go.
Can I share mine? It seems like everybody's good to go except me.
Yeah, bro. Share yours.
Bajo.
Yeah.
Stop sharing so I can share, please.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Well, thank you. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do I do?
So click that and do start.
Where?
Yeah, so yeah, click that, try double clicking that, let's see.
You didn't do nothing.
Right, so right click that, and let's just right click that and right click that, and let's see, let's just do it, because you have to start it, but once you click on it, if you double click on it, it's supposed to see an arrow here that tells you to start it. So
well,
that virtual machine, yeah, that virtual machine you have there, try to start it, try to double click on it to start it.
How, this one?
No, the one on the left, the centos.
I think he already started it. It's right there.
I think I already started it. It says pause. Can't you see it?
Go to the bottom. Press the.
Oh, there. Right, click that. Let's see.
Which one?
Yeah, that one. Click that one. Let's see. Looks like. Oh yeah. So you're trying to. Looks like you tried to close it. Cancel. Let's see. So there it is. We just have to adjust the screen. So what does it say? No suitable medium found. No, you just cancel. Let's see what the error is saying. No suitable medium found. System halted. All right, close it. Click close. Power off. Okay. Yeah, let's start it again so we can see, or we can all see start. Let's see what's going on.
I don't think it was an error. It was showing that if he wants to maximize the screen, it's just giving an instruction on that, because when
but he's having some fatal errors right there.
I did that too.
It's the same thing.
Okay, Ramesh, let's do it again from scratch. Go back to that CentOS, right click.
You want me to close this?
Yes.
Turn it off or just close it?
Just turn it off. Okay, so go to that CentOS, right click.
Right here?
Right click. Remove. Yeah, delete all the files and just do it again. All right, so come back to new. Okay, CentOS. Yeah, continue. Yeah, just put about 4,000. That's good, that's good. That's good. Continue. Yeah, go down to use an existing virtual disk. Yeah. And go click on that folder icon on the right. Yeah, click add. On the top, yeah, right there, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, look for that file. It was in downloads. Go to downloads. I know it was in downloads. Yeah, look for that file, that VDI file, the one you extracted.
What is it called?
It's CentOS. You can click on the search and search for CentOS.
The file is missing.
I don't see it.
Where did you download that file, Ramesh?
Man, I don't know. I thought.
Check your desktop.
Was it desktop or was it down? Yeah, I told
wasn't
you guys you have
download.
to remember where it was, so we don't have to. So let's see. Interesting.
I think it'll show up in recents if you go to
Let
recents.
me see. Yeah. What's going on?
All right, so you know what? Click. I see you have a filter in the bottom. That's interesting. How come we don't see that file?
Because I know it was on download.
Go back to downloads. Let's just search it.
Let me see. Let me.
That document.
Mhm.
How come the file is not there?
File on value.
Okay, Ramesh, click on Finder.
Finder. Where is Finder?
All the way in the bottom left.
New folder.
No, all the way down on your.
Oh, right,
there,
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, let's try to find that file. Search CentOS is there. Let's see if we can find that file. There it is.
Right there. Right there. So then why? And it's on the download.
All right, let's go back to that VirtualBox and try to do it again. Just look for it. I don't think searching is gonna help. Just scroll down and see if you can find it with your eyes, just like that. Let's see.
Go back up. I think I saw it. It's in alphabetical order, so it should be coming up here. Keep going.
Oh, okay.
There it is. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So click on it and choose it. Yeah. You're good to go. Choose. Yeah. Create. Yeah. There you go. Now you can start it.
Guys, when you start, do not try to do the full screen. I did that and I had to restart because I don't know how to get out of the full screen. Yeah. I mean, related. I'm just sharing. Don't be like me.
Thanks for the heads up.
And, so okay, so it looks like Ramesh is good to go. Anybody else have any issues?
Is Bilal Williams there? Bilal? The boy don't go vanishing.
Yeah, it should say it online, but you know there.
Ramesh, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Good. Oh, so and admin user. So
Yeah,
click on it and then log
Yeah,
in.
the password is admin user too, yeah. So man, anybody else? So we're all good to go. So guys, once you have your Linux system up, we can do some practice.
Voila. Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
Go.
So click on activities and you see here the terminal. Click on the terminal down there. Yeah, there you go. So that's a Linux terminal right there. And that's where we've been trying to go the whole class.
Okay. Good.
So everybody is there, right?
Let me go back
Yeah.
to my.
It's like, how do I get? It's like I'm logged. I'm just seeing time and date on mine.
Yeah, that's what happens when.
So
Yeah,
what?
mine is just showing time and date now.
Yeah, maybe that's the screensaver.
So how do I get out of it?
I don't know. Try double clicking on it. I know what we did was we restarted it, but you don't want to be restarting it. I think if you double click on it.
If you just click on
Oh,
it, it
you
should
just
take you
push. I
back.
see. Yeah.